To start your experiment, you're going to need 2 meter sticks, and you tape them about 1 inch apart on a flat surface. We used a table. So to start your experiment, you have your 4 various sizes of chrome balls, and you put them in between the roller, however many you want, and you hit them together, however your experiments say.
Experiment 1.
Experiment 2.
Experiment 3.
Experiment 4.
Experiment 5. Why is there only 2 times?
I don't know why. This is all I got, and then I've managed to find the whole thing though.
These are our results for experiment 1. Using them, we end the conservation of momentum equation. We found the theoretical velocity and then compared that with the experimental velocity.
So after we use that technique for experiment 1, we use the same technique for experiment 2, 3, and 4, and here are the results.
In experiment 5, we recorded the positions and times of all 3 balls. Using that, we can figure out the initial and final velocities of all 3 balls. We used the final velocity of the last ball and compared it to how we algebraically figured out that velocity, and these are the differences. Why is that?
The reason why we have differences between our theoretical and experimental results is because of the friction between the table and the balls, and the friction between the 2 balls, the level of the table, and the angle of impact.
What else could we do? For different experiments, we could have hit 2 different objects together like cubes. We could have dropped the balls vertically, or we could have hit them together at an angle.